Hi, I'm Rick. Today we're gonna make some wings in the Arden. I love making these wings in the backyard, but I'm gonna make them inside today, which is super awesome. Next game day, I don't even have to go outside, especially if it's raining. All right, so step one, we're gonna make our marinade. These wings are gonna marinate overnight in the fridge. Then we'll get them out in the morning, put them in the smoker. So I'm gonna walk you through the recipe. So let's start off with some good old hot sauce. You can use whatever you want. This is what we picked up, but you can use the really cheap stuff. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a marinade. You're just trying to impart some spice and that sort of thing. So we're gonna do 2 cups of hot sauce. Almost the whole bottle. You know what? We'll just do the whole bottle. Why not? So we'll say 2 1/4 cups. I'm gonna do a whole bottle of zesty Italian dressing. Now we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Again, just get the cheap stuff. Then we're gonna do the same with work sauce. I can't say the whole word, so just it's work. I'm gonna whisk it up a little bit. There we go. Marinade is ready. Now we're gonna actually separate these wings. These are whole wings. We're gonna separate them into the wing and the drum. Get our bag. Poultry. And we're back. It's the next morning and we're gonna get the Arden set up to smoke those wings that have been marinating overnight. We're gonna take you kind of behind the scenes here. This is a prototype, but I'm gonna walk you through kind of what we do to set this up. The things I'm doing manually are gonna be automated by software in the product that you're gonna receive. But I just wanna kind of show you what we go through. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is load up the water tray. So we're about halfway on the water tray. I shouldn't say water tray. This is our waste container, right? So this is what our pellets extinguish into. So it serves a very important function and you absolutely have to fill that with water. Next up, let's go ahead and power the unit up so it can be warming up as we get ready to put the wings in. So the very first thing I'm gonna do, again, this will all be automated for you, but for me on this prototype, I've gotta turn on our fan. So the fan is what draws the smoke through the elimination system, right, and out of the unit. And it causes the smoke to kind of swirl around the food and get a good, nice smoke flavor, and then evacuate. All right, we're gonna smoke these wings. Here's my plan, all right? This is what we're gonna try. I'm gonna smoke them at 275, and then towards the end of the cook, I'm gonna ramp that up to 300 so we can kind of crisp the skin, hopefully, and we'll see how that works. It should take about 2 hours. Now I'm gonna reload pellets. So we evacuated the previous pellets. We're gonna put in our new pellets. This is a blend of cherry, hickory, and maple. So the hopper holds about 2 cups of pellets. All right, now that our unit is heating up and preparing to smoke, we're gonna go prep the wings. On the tray. So now we're gonna throw a little rub. We're gonna use the Hey Girl Hey Sweet Barbecue Rub today on top of these. Smells good. Go ahead and load up our second tray. $28 wings in the Arden with 2 trays. We're gonna check back on these in about an hour. We're probably gonna flip them, and then around that time we flip them, we'll consider bumping up the temperature to 300 just to kind of crisp the skin and finish them up. Smoky goodness. Juicy, nice color. Look at that juice.
These are awesome. I like succulent. Oh, that's really good.
That's good. Those are juicy.
It's really good. Very juicy. Great flavor. Look at the juice. It's actually really good. So we walked you through the process of how to brine the wings overnight, how to smoke them in Arden. We kind of went into a little detail on how the controls work, how to bring it up, get it smoking, right? Again, that's all going to be automated for you in your Arden, but you kind of see what's going on behind the scenes. Additionally, if you have any ideas on other things you want us to cook, let us know. We're going to be trying all kinds of things over the next couple of weeks to give you what you're asking for, right? What all can I do in my Arden? So the wings turned out great. Thanks for tuning in. We will see you on the next video.